Okay, all right, let's come back to our class. And again, if you're interested, you can download the whole book. You can download the whole book like a PDF or something like this. And sure, for example, sorry, I forgot to switch. For example, I always encourage the student from our department because we are not a native speaker of English, but I encourage them. You can download a PDF. You can translate one page in English, one page in our translated English, our translated Taiwanese Mandarin, Sure. If you can select the language, for example, Filipino, or the language you like. This one. That I will use this. Sure, you can go to copy store and hi, I got this PDF, and this one is open license. Everyone can use it for any purpose, including the commercial purpose. No restriction on the commercial use. Okay, then it's legal. If the copy store had criticized you, please let me know. I will explain this. I think I did this. But in our classroom, I try to use the paperless policy. Paperless is prevent to use the material paper. We use electronic files. Okay, I try to do that. And this one, you can do it. I just give this file to you. And there are several chapters. And sure, in the chapter one, okay, chapter 1.2, sampling methods, and 1.3, they are okay. You can read it by yourself. I think we have limited time in our class time, so I plan to switch to chapter 2. That chapter 2 is very useful and important and useful, but very easy, chapter graphical descriptions of data, and there are 3 sections. The first one, qualitative data. Okay, and later I will tell you how to do this. For example, I encourage you in the beginning, you do that by your hand counted, your eye counted, instead of just placing everything to the AI. No. Not this moment. I will not prohibit you to use AI. Actually, I use that too, but I completely understand the principles. So I use AI. It saves my time. But you are still in the learning stage. You need to know the principles, the details. In the future, you can choose different tools to get the same answer. Okay. Now, remember, qualitative data are words describing a characteristic of individual. There are several different graphs that are used for qualitative data. These graphs include the bar graph, Pareto charts, and pie charts. I will tell you how to do this, and it is very useful, especially we will use the Google Office that is free to use. Okay, pie chart and bar graphs are the most common ways of displaying qualitative data. A spreadsheet program like Excel, actually Excel is okay, but I encourage you to use LibreOffice. Okay. Okay. Anyone ever heard LibreOffice? Wave your hand. No. How can you? LibreOffice? No, never heard this. Okay, it's my honor. I'm the first person to introduce you about this one. Okay. Why I encourage you to use? I didn't say I prohibit you LibreOffice is different. Libre is the liberty, freedom. Like this, it's open source the software, and everyone can get it. Everyone can get it for any purpose. You can modify it if you know how to code it. You know the computer language. You can sell it. Yeah, no limitation on commercial purpose. Okay, and according to the Taiwan government, about I forget 10 years ago, 10 or 8 years ago, we gradually, slowly switched to LibreOffice. So this I encourage you. Sure, you can find a computer at this kind of office, LibreOffice. In the future, no matter you work in Japan, in Taiwan, or back to your country, you can download this with appropriate translation. The translator of Taiwan Mandarin is a dentist, my friend. The dentist, you know dentist, doctor of tooth, right? Doctor of tooth, the dentist, my friend, he translated this. Not a computer guy, not a computer guy. He is very good with computer. Okay. This one, the second one is Google Office. The second one is Google Office. So I try to do most of the work from LibreOffice or Google Office. Okay, now we can start here. Okay. And now the first step is to either graph is to make a frequency or relative frequency table. Okay, let's look how to do this. A frequency table is a summary of the data with counts of how often a data value or category occurs. Question 2.1.1. Suppose you have the following data from which type of car students at college drive. Okay. Ford, Chevy, Honda, Toyota, Nissan, Kia, blah, 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 like this. Okay. Please do a frequency table like this. And now, how can you do that? How can you do it? Okay, let me tell you the stupid way, but it really works. 1 minute, please. Let me have a screenshot. There are many ways to establish the frequency table. Let me tell you. Okay, I have this picture, and now I tried to have a stupid way, but it really works. First one, Ford. Ford 1, Ford 2, Ford 3, Ford 4, 5. Did I miss anything? 4, 5. Let me recheck it again. Yeah, I think it's stupid, but it's easy to make mistake. Let me check. The second one, Chevy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, Chevy, 12, like this. Okay. I just did two cars for the two brands for the example. You know, this way is very stupid. And now I will switch to different way like this. Sure, later I will tell you how to do this. For example, like this. Okay, here's the answer. So you can do that just in maybe three minutes. But I do not encourage you in the beginning use this way. I do not encourage you. Sure, I have no right to prohibit you because I open the computer for you during the exam. But I do not. How can I say that? I want to show you that you can get the answer very quickly, right? A few seconds. Can you help me? I have a homework and I want to count the brand, make a previous table, print the brand of the car, of this, and you get it. But I hope in the beginning you can do this like this way. Like this way. And it's not smart, but very useful. When when the internet is broken or when the power is down, the battery is dead, something like this. You can use this way to calculate it. Okay, the second one. Since okay, we can recheck it. The table is here. Okay, let's look. Let's double check the answer. Ford 5, Ford 5, Chevy 12, Chevy 10. Why? Why? I count 12 and here's 10 and the textbook is 12. Okay, Honda 6, Honda 6. Okay, and Toyota 12, Toyota, Toyota 10. Why? Do I miss anything like this? No, I don't think I don't think I made any mistake like this. Okay, next. Nissan 10, Nissan is 10. Nissan next 9. Why? Okay. Others 5. Porsche, Saturn, Mercedes, Kia. Okay, Toyota. So I don't know what's the where is the 10, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24, 33. The total number is not 50. I think something wrong with the computer. Something wrong with the computer. Okay, forget it. And now, please do me a favor. Please go to your Google Drive. Please go to Google Drive, and sure, there is one key point. There is one key point is here. You need have a private window. I highly recommend you to have a private window in order to log in from the computer. Can you do that? Have a private why? Because if you forget to turn off your computer, no one knows your password. No one knows your password. Okay? I suggest you to use the private window and log in your Gmail. Google Drive or Gmail, either one is okay. Where is the bus? 1, 2, 3, 4. What's this? What's this? We are helping Google to train Google's AI. Because the AI don't know the color white, gray, green, red, they don't know that, but human can recognize this is a bus. Then return this information back to the computer. Okay, now I know the human knows this is the bus. And in the future, actually millions of people did this work. They can recognize many kinds of buses. This is the kind we have Google to train their AI. Next. What's the question? Traffic light. 1, 2. Verify. Okay, please, and log in your Google. Please sign in here. Again, I recommended you to use private browser, and sign in. Oh, interesting, interesting. Yeah. From the ChatGPT, the Chevy number is 12, and from the Gemini, oh, I shut down it. Okay. From Gemini, the Chevy is 10, and counted. I counted 10. So I don't know something with that. Something with that. Okay. Since you log in this website, you will see this. Okay, you will see this. First of all, there are several ways I'm going to teach you how to count it. Okay, you can start from a Google Doc. Google Doc. The second way is not smart, but very useful. Google Doc. And give the title. And go back to textbook copy, and paste it here. Okay, and there is an easy way. There are several ways to do this. For example, Ford, Chevy, Honda, Toyota, Nissan, Kia, Chevy, Toyota, like this. Okay, and now please see this trick. I copy the term Ford, and I press Control F to call out this function. Find the document. Again, you can click Control F and paste. Sorry, Ford, Ford. How many times? 5 times. Then you can type here 5 times. So you can understand why I did not spell the last letter of the Ford, F-O-R-D. I ignore the D. Because if I type the D here, it becomes 6. The real answer is 5. So I ignore the last letter. And the second one, Chevy, I copy it here. Copy. Paste. I'm sorry. Chevy. Okay, please follow this way. It's not stupid, but not smart, but very useful. Because in the future, you will do this, and you can take screenshot of this and write that as your notes. Okay, select the Honda on this way. Why? This skill is more important than the others, because in the future you will select your way. Honda 6. Toyota 12. Okay, let's check the. Okay, suppose you have the following data for which type of cars students at a college drive. 50 is here. The answer is here. Sure, again. You can do it like me. Please help me make a no, not two. We don't need a two. Okay, please help me make frequency table of the car brands, and I copy paste like this, and the ChatGPT made a frequency table like this. Okay, let me do it again. Do you observe that the second time I use the Google AI, Google Gemini, Google Gemini. Google Gemini is still the same mistake. Chevy 10. Okay. I don't know what's wrong with the Google Gemini, but this time the OpenAI, the ChatGPT did a good job. Like this. Okay, let's go back here. And next one. Since raw numbers are not as useful to tell other people, it's better to create a third column like this. And now we need to learn a concept that is relative frequency. Relative frequency. What does it mean? For individual number, that is in the numerator, but the total number, that is in the denominator. And here, the frequency is 5. The relative frequency, that is 0.10. And now try to prepare this table by yourself. Try to prepare this table by yourself. Okay, let me tell you here. You need to finish it here. Nissan is 10. And Kia. Kia is 1. And some others. Okay. I will ignore this part, and I will I-Yuan is this one. If we copy and paste here, please copy here, copy, and have a Google Sheets. Again, new Google Sheets here, and paste. Okay. Again. Please have this page. And copy forward frequency 5 until this, and have a new spreadsheet. You can rename it. Okay. When you finish this step, please let me know. When you finish this step, please let me know. Copy the textbook here. Okay, everything okay? When you finish this work, you copy the frequency here on your Google Office because Google spreadsheet. Please let me know. I will move forward. Sure, if you have trouble to use the Google Office, please let me know. Everything okay here? Can I move forward? Okay, let me show you. Okay, the first one, maybe some of you already know this skill. It's easy, but I will explain. Okay. Okay. Who can tell me how to calculate the sum of this, the total number? Sum 50. Yep. Okay. For example, I can type sum SUM, then here click the symbol equal. Again, you can watch there and here. When we type equal and it switch to the calculation model, we can type SUM, sum, and parentheses from here B3 to B8. Again, this cell, this rectangle, the small cell, I type the symbol equal and type SUM means I want the computer calculate the sum from the cell B3 through B8, and I click enter. The total number is 50. Okay, and next, we know as a definition, how can we get the relative frequency? The definition is the target in the individual is in the numerator, in the upside, and the total number is in the denominator, According to this definition, again, we click on this cell and type equal, and we know that the individual is number 5. We don't need to type number. We just click it, and here slash the total number is 50, and click enter, and we got a 0.1. We got 0.1, and sure, you don't need to calculate that. You just click. You can see a big spot here. Click and drag, and we are done. I know some of you already learned this skill, but I try to explain from the beginning. If you have trouble, please wave your hand. For example, the date. We have my notes. Click here. We can modify it. Okay, just remember, if you do the screenshot, for example, if you do this, you need to have this picture, or you can call it screenshot is from Dr. $1. YouTube channel. Yeah, if you can play the link over here, okay, and okay, I learned chapter, Control C, the textbook here, and okay, here is key point. Please watch here carefully. The textbook here, you can create a hyperlink. I know some of you already know how to create a hyperlink. The text is here. Select text and click insert hyperlink. And I just copy the link here. Copy and paste it here and apply. Done. And next time, this hyperlink is for you. And update. Okay, the following texts are from this textbook. Then you can copy and paste. Okay, remember, I always emphasize that my opinions, I learned some ways to make frequency yeah, please highlight my opinion, because in the future I will grade in your notes. It's easier for me. Okay, I learned some ways to make frequency table. Singular. And $1 something like this. And here, okay, copy and okay, 1 minute please. I use Google Word to count I use Google, Excel, to prepare frequency table. Like this, then update. And next time you can use this, And sure, if I set this one, I share to the public. Anyone know this link, he or she can enter this link. Just the view, but not the modification. No modification. And I click done. Again, I can share, copy, and I paste it to our night group. You can read my information here, but you cannot modify it. Yeah, if you want to share it to your friends, you can use this way. And next time, I will tell you how to use the skill embedded like this. Like this. Okay, 1 minute please. I will finish very quickly. See, this is the website. Then I embedded this syllabus into the website. You can do this too. Next time I will show you how to do that. Okay, or you can do this. How to embed Google Office to my Google Blogger. Yeah, you will get tons of solutions here. Okay, I'm done. Sorry, I postponed for a few minutes. Okay, we can stop here and see you next time. Anything you want to discuss with me, you are welcome. Just come to my desk.